Let's now investigate aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is a height to width ratio. For planes, it refers to the span to mean chord of an airfoil. The wingspan divided by mean width of the wing or chord. For this lesson, let's only use planes with an aspect ratio between 1 and 12. In order to avoid wasting time and money, engineers do calculations first, before designing or experimenting. We can change aspect ratio by changing airfoil or by changing wingspan. We'll start by keeping the airfoil constant and changing the wingspan. Complete the spreadsheet in your student handbook by dividing wingspan by mean chord. Then cross out any aspect ratio that is not within range of 1 to 12. We will now construct 5 planes that are identical except for differing wingspans. To open PlaneMaker, select your X-Plane folder in Applications, and then select the PlaneMaker icon. In order to modify the plane, select Standard, click on Wings, and modify the wing of each plane according to the table under Plane Construction in your student handbook. Here, I am modifying the plane for a 50-foot wingspan. This means we want the semi-length of wing 1 to be 25 feet, the lateral arm of wing 2 to be 24.95 feet, and the vertical arm of wing 2 to be 0.25 feet. Again, these values are found in the student handbook. You will save each plane with the following name: your first name, and then the number that signifies the wingspan. This file will be your first name 50. We're almost ready to fly, but first let's set up to collect some data in X-Plane. Select Settings, Data Input and Output, and if not already present, select the Dataset tab. Click on the last 2 checkboxes at lines 3, 21, and 66, and then click X to return to the plane. Now, fly each plane 3 times, selecting them under Open Aircraft. Try to fly as consistently as possible. Keep the pointer on the crosshairs until the plane lifts off, which will ensure a consistent angle of attack. Record each takeoff distance in the chart under Test Piloting in your student handbook. Then, complete the bar graph and the investigative questions.